Blood clots in the brain are a silent danger that can strike without warning, often leading to life-threatening consequences. These clots, known as cerebral thrombosis, block blood flow to vital areas of the brain, depriving it of oxygen and nutrients. Without timely intervention, brain cells can begin to die within minutes, causing strokes or irreversible damage. In this video, we'll explore what makes blood clots in the brain so dangerous, the factors that contribute to their formation, and the steps you can take to protect yourself. Stay tuned as we break down this critical topic in simple, actionable terms. What are blood clots in the brain? Let's talk about blood clots in the brain and why they're so dangerous. A blood clot is a clump of blood that forms to stop bleeding, like when you get a cut. But sometimes clots form inside your blood vessels when they're not supposed to. When this happens in the brain, it's called a cerebral blood clot, or thrombosis. These clots can block blood flow to the brain, stopping oxygen and nutrients from reaching vital areas. Without oxygen, brain cells can start dying within minutes. This is why blood clots in the brain are so serious. They can lead to strokes or permanent damage if not treated quickly. Understanding how they happen can save lives. What causes blood clots? In the brain? Now you're probably wondering, what makes these clots form in the first place? Well, it's not one single thing. Usually it's a mix of health issues, lifestyle choices, and sometimes plain old genetics. If you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes, your blood vessels can get damaged over time. When this happens, clots are more likely to form. Smoking makes things worse by damaging the lining of your blood vessels and making your blood stickier. Being inactive for long periods, like sitting all day at work or during a long flight, can also raise your risk. And let's not forget about dehydration. If you're not drinking enough water, your blood gets thicker, making it easier for clots to form. Certain medications, like birth control pills or hormone treatments, can also increase your chances of developing a clot. And if blood clots run in your family, genetics might play a role. It's worth talking to your doctor if you think you're at risk. What are the warning signs? Here's the thing. Blood clots in the brain can strike fast, so you need to know the warning signs. The sooner you spot them, the better your chances of getting help in time. The first and most obvious sign is a severe headache. We're not talking about your typical headache or even a migraine. This kind of headache comes out of nowhere and feels unbelievably intense. If you ever experience something like this, don't ignore it. Next, pay attention to your body. Weakness or numbness on one side of your body, like in your arm, leg, or face, can be a major red flag. If one side of your face droops, or you can't move an arm or leg properly, that's a clear sign. Something's wrong. Having trouble speaking or understanding others is another big warning. Maybe you're slurring your words, or you can't think of the right words to say. Vision problems, like blurred or double vision, are also signs to watch for. Other symptoms include dizziness, trouble walking, or feeling off balance. And in some cases, you might feel confused or faint. If you notice any of these symptoms in yourself or someone else, call for emergency help immediately. Don't wait. Every second counts. Why are blood clots in the brain a silent danger? Blood clots in the brain can be particularly dangerous because they often develop without warning. Many people don't notice symptoms until it's too late, which is why they're considered a silent danger. For instance, high blood pressure can increase the risk of clot formation without any obvious signs. Similarly, after surgery, the body is more vulnerable to clots that could travel to the brain. To prevent these risks naturally, managing blood pressure through diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction techniques like deep breathing or yoga can be key. How to recognize blood clots in the brain? Naturally. If you're concerned about blood clots in the brain, the first step is to stay in tune with your body. Symptoms like sudden numbness, confusion, or difficulty speaking could be early warning signs, signaling a possible clot. While medical tests like CT scans or MRIs are used for diagnosis, you can support your health naturally by focusing on circulation. Regular physical activity, like walking or yoga, improves blood flow and reduces the risk of clot formation. Eating foods rich in omega-3s, like salmon and flax seeds, also helps thin the blood naturally, promoting heart and brain health. Natural approaches to supporting brain health and blood flow. Treating a blood clot in the brain requires quick action, but natural approaches can help support recovery and reduce risks. If you're at higher risk for blood clots, focus on heart-healthy foods like leafy greens, berries, and omega-3 rich sources like salmon and flax seeds to support circulation. While clot-busting medications may be needed in emergencies, promoting healthy blood flow through regular exercise, staying hydrated, and managing stress with mindfulness techniques can help reduce the overall risk of clots. Natural ways to prevent blood clots in the brain. The good news is that you can reduce your risk of blood clots with healthy lifestyle choices. If you have conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or high cholesterol, managing them naturally through diet, exercise, and stress reduction can significantly lower your risk. Incorporating heart-healthy foods such as leafy greens, berries, garlic, and foods rich in omega-3s can help support healthy circulation. Regular physical activity, like daily walks or yoga, keeps blood flowing smoothly and strengthens your cardiovascular system. Thanks for sticking around and learning about this important topic. Blood clots in the brain are serious, but with the right information, you can take steps to protect yourself and those you care about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to Earthlux for more life-saving health tips and insights. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.